Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here 2005 Ford F150 with the 5.4 liter V8 Triton engine, and in this video I would really love to show you how easy it is to inspect engine air filter. And in this year F150 could have 4.2 liter, 4.6 liter, or this one which is 5.4 liter Triton. And look at this, how perfect design is this? What? You pull the whole thing out and you perfectly see your filter. This is the clean side and this is the dirty side. And as you can see, this filter is pretty good and I have no reason to replace it yet. It's in relatively good shape, and maybe I can do and just vacuum it a little bit, right? This dirty side, but definitely I will say this could perform some more work. And obviously installation is just opposite what we just did. So I put it in this frame, right? And carefully put it in. Use these two clamps. Boom! We are done. This is wonderful. I wish everything on cars was so easy. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, give it a thumb up and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.